Baking soda was once used as medicine, but later buried because of how powerful it actually is. During the 1918 Spanish flu pandemic, doctors across the US started using sodium bicarbonate or baking soda to treat patients. They noticed something shocking. People who took baking soda early in the infection barely got sick, while those who didn't were hit much harder. Reports from that time showed that hospitals giving baking soda had far lower death rates than those using only standard treatments. Why? Because baking soda helps neutralize acid, reduce inflammation, and even support immune function by balancing the body's pH. But after the Spanish flu, as pharmaceuticals started taking over, simple remedies like baking soda were quietly pushed aside. It wasn't patentable, so it wasn't profitable. If you want to use it safely, here's how. You don't need much. Just mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda into a large glass of filtered water and drink it on an empty stomach once a week. And if you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more powerful health insights you won't hear anywhere else online.